Okay, last one.
Dead Space remake. This is from one of the developers. I can't play it with headphones at night. It's too scary.
Yeah.
Now, I thought you might. I thought this might be intriguing to you. I don't know a lot about this series. It is a long-awaited remake. The original, scary. Apparently, this one, much more scary.
It was a really great game, like a while ago.
What?
And they spawned like 3 other games or 2 other games and a movie. And it was really well done.
What was your fear factor? Were you at night with the headphones on, or?
No, I was too chicken.
Oh, you were scared also?
Yeah, I was very scared.
Oh, okay, good.
It's a really great game.
Because apparently this one is even more scary, updated, obviously, graphics and all the rest of it. Dead Space remake in good shape, apparently, unveiled back in 2021 and planned for 2022. Well, it got delayed. I mean, all this stuff tends to get delayed. It is set to become one of the biggest games, one of the biggest new games in 2023, and possibly the scariest. A spine-chilling sentiment appears to be shared behind the scenes, too, so much so that Dead Space remake technical director David Robillard admits he isn't as comfortable playing the game after dark as he is during daylight hours. He told Play Magazine, just the amount of realism and, again, the atmosphere, not just visually. It's the way we handle sound, ambience, effects, having systems that will try to spook you. These things, could have been done on PS4, but not to the level we're doing them today. And they really add a lot to this sort of genre and make a whole kind of experience come together even more. Like the location of sounds.
Oh, yeah.
In the dark, and
I'm getting flashbacks.
The fidelity of a sound effect, like something dropping or a footstep, or it can. And I think that's a key why he said the headphone part of it as well. And he also mentions not to the level that we're capable of today. So in other words, something to do with the PS5 hardware or updated hardware, I suppose.
Yeah, with the audio fidelity, but also with the graphics and like new gameplay elements.
But even your inputs, right? Like it's just everything is fresh. They can have a new take on all kinds of elements to create a more immersive experience. These images, these first screenshots look pretty cool as well. So yeah, something to look forward to in 2023. Another big game release. Hopefully it doesn't get delayed too much more. And Willie do, maybe we can get a special segment, a little clip of you in the dark testing out this game once it drops. What do you think, Will?
Yeah.
Can we arrange such a thing?